welcome to part 3 of my mum's secret recipes. Today mum's going to show me how to make her tandoori baby chicken biryani. It's very different from your regular biryani. The tandoori flavour and the baby chicken makes my mum's biryani so unique. All of the ingredients we used are in the description below. So I'm just going to make a quick marinade. I'm going to add some natural yogurt to a bowl, followed by some tandoori masala. So here I've got a tablespoon of ginger and a tablespoon of garlic paste. I'm just going to add half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to give that a good mix. So I'm just going to add that marinade to the chicken. So I'm just going to give that a really good mix. So I'm going to let that rest for at least an hour. So I have decided to put some red food colouring in there just to give it a nice colour. I'm going to now transfer this into a large glass bowl which is oven safe. So I'm just going to drizzle on some olive oil. So I'm going to pop that in a preheated oven for 45 minutes. I'm not going to cover this with foil or anything, I'm just going to put it straight in there on the middle shelf. Meanwhile, I'm just going to prep some vegetables for the biryani. So I'm going to have 2 sliced onions and 2 chopped onions. This is the worst way to crush some garlic, but it's the quickest way. I don't even have to wash any dishes. And we're done. I have 4 white potatoes here, so I'm not going to take the skin off, I'm just going to cut them into half. So the chicken is in the oven and the rice has been soaking for about an hour. So I have bought 2 litres of water to a boil. I'm just going to add some salt to that. I'm also going to add in all of the rice. Should you put the lid on? Okay. So it needs to be cooked with the lid on at a high heat.
Full heat.
Full heat. Yep, so we're going to transfer it onto the other gas. Alright. Because we need to cook our biryani sauce in here. So we're just going to cook our biryani sauce now.
No, you brown the onions first.
So we're just going to brown our onions first. So here I've got a cup of oil. So I'm going to carry on cooking these until they're like a dark brown colour. So this is just for the garnish.
It should take about 10 minutes to boil the rice here. But it's not ready yet.
So we have used long grain rice. It's been 10 minutes and the rice is now ready to drain. So the fried onions are almost done. Just a couple more minutes on them and then I'll turn off the heat. So I'm now going to drain the oil out of these onions.
We'll do it in a minute.
Okay. So my mum's just draining out the onions. So in the same pan we're going to make the biryani sauce. We're going to add some onions. The onions have now softened. I'm going to add some green chillies and some garlic. So after a few minutes I'm going to add some tin tomato. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add my favourite biryani mix. I bet all these stones are going to go in my plate. All of them always do. Stones. Is there any cardamom in it?
Yes, there always cardamom in there.
Right. Should I put the lid on? Oh. Okay, so I'm just going to put half a cup of water. So I'm going to let that cook on a high heat for 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes. I'm just going to give that a good stir. So I'm just going to add the potatoes now. How long did they cook for me?
A bit of water for that to half a cup of water and then simmer them. They look nice, don't they?
So I'm just going to add half a cup of water. Right, so she's just transferring that onto another gas hob. And we're going to take a chicken out. We should turn the heat down. Right, turn the heat off. And let me just get my oven gloves. The oven. Oh, that's cute. Is that fully done, Mum?
Yes.
Do you have to check it?
You could check it if you want to check it. Yes, do.
Right, so there's no water seeping out of the chicken. That means it's done. So we're now going to assemble. We're going to put some of the rice around that chicken. Are we going to completely hide it, Mum?
Yes, cover the chicken.
Completely cover it. Can't we just leave the top, like, so we can see
it?
it?
Has to be inside. It has to be cooked. It needs to be cooking more.
Oh, okay.
Please don't break the rice.
Okay.
Gently.
Okay. So I need to be a bit more gentle because the rice is going to break. Which rice is this, Mum?
Long grain sugat.
Sugat. So we're putting the biryani mix on now.
Just the rice first.
Alright.
Cover all this.
Okay. Yeah, I'll Q-tip it in. Right in, so it's all. So we're just going to make sure it's all equal. Well, they look nice there in the end, don't they?
Pull up the garnish bits on.
Now or the end?
No, now.
Put a little bit on now and a little bit on the end. Right, so we've got some garnish here. We're going to put a little bit of fried onions on top. Just half of it for now. And some coriander, Mum.
A little bit of coriander.
And just a little bit of coriander.
Lemons. Half of the lemons.
And half of the lemons, about that much.
And the rest of the rice will be.
And we're going to add the rest of the rice on there. So I'm just going to spread that out equally. To finish, we're going to add the rest of that garnish.
So you're not adding colour to it because you've got plenty of colour in the
Yeah. So just going to put. So we're going to cover that and put it into the oven for how long more?
20 minutes.
20 more minutes and then we're done. Right, so Mum is just going to take the biryani out of the oven. Go for it. Bismillah. Do you want to put it there? Yeah, Mum, go for it. Take it off. See how it looks. That looks nice. Is that fully ready then, Mum? Mm-hmm. So we've got all the different layers. We've got the tandoori chicken at the bottom, we've got the plain rice, and then we've got the biryani sauce, and then we add another layer on top. Looks nice, Mum. So you're fluffing them, is that what it's called, this part? So she's just fluffing the rice. So they look like they're cooked to perfection. So we didn't need any food colour in this because there's plenty of food colour coming from the tandoori chicken. Look at them layers. I love that. So how are we going to get it out onto the tray?
Yeah, I'm just going to move that there now here.
We could do the flip, but we're not going to do the flip.
You can serve straight from here to table.
No, I think we should put it into that because I think it'll look nice. So Mum is just going to transfer some rice into the big platter first. And then out comes that tandoori chicken. I don't know how she's going to get that out of there. How many wings do you put in, Mum?
Just 4 extra because your grandma likes wings.
Oh, my grandma likes wings, so we put wings in for my grandma. Have you made raita, Mum?
Yes, I have. Even though a lot of people don't have raita with biryani.
Okay, let's have a look at the rice. So while she's doing that, here we have the raita. Just gonna give that a good mix. We just made it in the Ninja Chopper because it's so quick. There's that baby chicken hiding away. That looks so cute. So don't hide the chicken, I want it exposed at the top. Try to take the skin off it. Yeah, that looks nice. Try and take the rest off it.
Wings in there?
Yep.
More wings are there.
The wings are all in. Thank you, Mum, for teaching me how to make this amazing dish. It looks really nice. And some of that fried chicken from earlier on. It looks like sweet rice because of all the different colours.
Yapıyorlar değil mi?
Calm now.
Öyle mi ne yap?